Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Grok 3 for free. All you have to do, guys, is just simply head over to any browser you may have and type in grok.com, and you'll be taken over to the Grok AI chatbot here, right? So once you're here, if you don't have an account, you can easily sign in or sign up for an account. But if you look right here in the middle, you can see that you have the opportunity to use the Grok 3 for free. So you have Grok 2 and you also have Grok 3, right? Which is the smartest one and the latest right now. So you can start using it for free here. You can also create an account by simply go ahead and click on sign up. And if you haven't signed up yet, just simple use your email address or use your Twitter, or if you have Apple, you can sign up with Apple as well. Simple sign in with your email address. I'm going to use my Gmail there, and I'm going to sign in real quick. So once you sign in, you can start utilizing the power of Grok 3. So you can even ask, I'm going to quickly ask it, what is Grok 3? And you can ask it whatever you want. And that's how you can utilize the power of Grok 3, guys. So if you want to learn how to use Grok 3 for free, this is the video for you. All you have to do, head over to grok.com, or a simple type in Grok AI within your browser. Go to the x.ai website, click on Grok from the menu options, and you can simply go ahead and sign up. It will take you right over to this website here. You can easily log into the Grok AI chatbot here and start utilizing the power of Grok 3. So there in my screen, you can pause it if you want to know what is Grok 3. There you have it as well. Grok 3 is the latest and most advanced artificial intelligence model developed by XAI, right? So this is X, and this is the founder of Elon Musk, if you guys didn't know that. So it's an interesting one, guys. You want to check out Grok, and if you want to get started with utilizing this is the perfect video for you. It's free. You can start utilizing it right now. So head over to grok.com and go ahead and create your free account and start utilizing Grok 3 in that Grok platform, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.